Face card ang labanan. Ipapakita na yan ni contestant number 1.
Steph Curry of all! I'm the one. I'm 4 times champion in NBA.
So, tawa ka sa sarili mo. Oh, ano? May sasabihin ka pa, ituloy mo yan. Ay, baka di na ito. Oh, what else would you like to say?
Pakiulit.
Go, Steph.
Amerikano yan, di mo siya pwede Tagalogin.
Oh, sorry.
So, what else would you like to say?
I'm your 4 times NBA champion NBA. Yeah. And the one who scored 60 points in 2 games at the 2024 Paris Olympics.
Oh! So, what brought you here?
Yes.
Oh, di ba? Yes. Hindi niya na kasi na-rehearse yun. Masaya-saya niya, oh.
Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, di ba? Hindi niya madribble. Come on, Steph!
Woo!
Kayo, Steph. No,
Oh, yes. Nagsindi ng quitis. Oh!
Galing sumaya.
Grabe. Grabe epidemya sa NBA. Sherwin Altagracia ng Steph Curry ng Bohol!
What's up?
Wow, we are so happy that you are here in the
Yes.
Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Yeah.
Congratulations!
I'm a fan of
We are
you.
all fans here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
When did you get here in the Philippines?
After the Paris!
When lang yun, kuya. When lang
Di
yun.
ba
When did you get here?
After the Olympics, where'd you go?
Yesterday.
Just today.
I'm vacation in Bohol.
Oh,
from Bohol.
How long do you plan to be here in the Philippines?
Do you speak Tagalog? Do you speak
Also, I need Kim Cho to...
Kim
You're with Kim Cho.
Kim Chu?
Kim Chu.
not here. She's not here.
Getting her award.
I learned Bisaya.
It's like Bisaya.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's okay. You want to speak in English so that it will be
Okay.
easier for you.
This my friend Karel and
Hi.
Vice and Bella.
No, we're not
Hi.
friends.
What's
We
up,
just work together, but we're not friends. Don't. That's a lie. That's a lie. This is my twin sister.
Oh, no, it's just a lie. It's a lie.
Kaloka like.
Identical twins.
Identical.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
Hi,
how are you
Steph.
feeling today?
Feeling so very happy.
Very happy.
We know that. We know
So
that.
what's your vital signs? Can you give us your vital signs? How's your pulse rate?
Paswe, my... Be grateful. You're...
Grateful.
You're tired? Are you tired?
Sorry.
It's okay. But the heart is beating, yes? Healthy? Are you healthy? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
It's
Very
okay.
good.
For as long as your heart is beating and my mouth is smelling, it's okay. You know, we have some friends here who look so happy seeing you here today.
Right.
Let's talk to them. So hi guys.
Yes,
Hi, guys.
Hello guys. What's your name, sir? Gabby. And you, sir?
Thank you.
Austin Gabriel.
Gabby
Where are
and
you guys
Gabriel.
from? Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Oh, so how does it feel seeing Steph Curry here today?
Live on Showtime.
It feels good.
It feels good.
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so happy to see him.
Oh, they're so happy to see you.
Parang okay-okay. Yung okay-okay Steph Curry, yung pick, ah.
Parang ukay-ukay doon sa Steph Curry yung pick. That's the best description. The ukay-ukay version. The fake one. Oh, they're telling us that you are the fake Steph Curry. How do you react to that?
I'm the real.
I'm the real.
Are you the real?
I'm here in the Philippines, but in the Philippines, I'm small. I'm going
Because of the temperature of the Philippines, Steph Curry becomes, he shrinks.
Shrink.
Yeah.
Are you the real Steph Curry?
Yes, real.
Wait a minute. Your name is Stephen Curry.
Stephen Curry.
Hindi, alam mo, Kuis, alam mo bakit siya si Stephen
Bakit
Curry?
Stephen Curry?
Nagva-viral to, napanood ko siya sa London. Di ba may inaapakan ka bago ka mag-shoot?
Ah, ganon?
Wow. Sample nga.
Nagtatagalog.
Hindi, wala lang. Si Bong talaga yung kausap ko.
Nagtatagalog?
No.
Was that?
Sorry.
She saw you on YouTube.
I saw you when I was in
Are you
London.
lying?
You step on something before you shoot,
Yeah,
right?
was that you?
And I make you sleep.
Oh, you
So Sleeping Curry?
You have to prove to us that you are Steph Curry. How are you going to prove
Can
that
you do
to
it?
us? Oh, be careful!
Meron pa tayo.
We don't want you to get hurt.
Sleep.
So, how many hours did you sleep? How much hours? Like, how long?
3 years.
3 years?
Wow! You slept
3 years?
You slept for 3 years and still you look so exhausted, huh? Okay, so everyone wants to know the answer to this question.
What is that?
So, who really is the GOAT?
Oh, yes.
Steph Curry or
The GOAT.
LeBron James?
Wow.
Greatest of all time.
Me, LeBron.
LeBron.
Me and LeBron?
The concede.
Because
So, you really think that LeBron is the GOAT?
Not you?
I'm the GOAT because I made, in 2 games, I made 60 points.
60
You?
points.
Oh, lagot ka kay LeBron. Hindi mo siya pinili.
So, okay. So, how about LeBron? How many points did he make?
I don't know.
That's hard.
You don't know. But you
Because I'm focused by scoring.
He's focused on his
who is
score.
better looking? You or LeBron James?
Me.
Me. Why?
Why you?
What is your best asset? Physical asset?
My hair and my face.
Your hair.
And the eyes also, I think.
How about the talent? Who is a better dancer?
Dancer. I'm good back tumbling.
You're good at tumbling.
Gymnast.
You're a gymnast also. Okay, can you show us again your
Like
dancing?
Lulu.
Can you show us again your dancing?
Careful, okay? Careful.
Can you teach us?
Wait. Okay, level by level. Okay, level
dancing
by
mo na, dancing
level.
mo na.
Okay, very easy, medium, difficult, and
Extra.
death-defying if you want. Okay, you stay in the middle.
Easy first, easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy
Just
mode.
Make sure you stay here, ha? At the center. You know the center?
Center.
You know what the center is?
Center is.
No, it's a small clinic in the barangay. It's a center.
Iba center yun. Clinic
Okay.
yun.
Okay, you stay there in the middle, okay? Okay, the easy dancing. Show us your easy dancing.
Ay!
Medium level, medium rare. Medium rare.
Ay, ang pogi niya dyan.
Magaling yata talaga. The difficult level.
Difficult.
Steph.
Come on.
Go, Steph.
Grabe, taas ng tumbling niya.
Wow.
Kung ano yung height niya, doon di siya tumambling.
Galing,
Taas,
ha?
oh.
Galing. Parang na-inlove ka sa kanya.
Konti na lang, mapapamahal na ako eh. Kung in extra
Yung tingin mo
difficult.
sa kanya, parang ang tagal mo siyang hinintay, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you plan to be an actor someday? Will you retire in basketball?
I don't know.
How about your plan? What's your plan with your plan?
What are you doing?
So,
Relax.
sorry.
Relax.
Put inside the pocket.
Yeah, here. Just here only.
Oh, there's another pocket here. You put here. No, he can't. He
has
needs
to hold
the
his microphone. Yeah, true.
Okay, do you plan to be an actor someday? Do you want to enter show business?
someday,
Someday.
Someday, okay.
Who's your favorite
Someday.
actor?
in my front.
What?
What?
Your friends?
Yeah.
Oh, this
Yeah.
friend? What's his name?
4 of you.
The four of
the
us.
four of us.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
So, let's try your acting skills
Yes,
now.
yes.
Okay, let's see if you
Are you
have
ready?
it.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the
So,
sequence?
The title of the movie is God Bless Your Curls.
God bless your curl.
God bless her
gusto ko
curls.
yan.
Yeah, she will be your mother.
Hi, anak.
Yeah, and she
Hi,
will be your
Daughter? Girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
Yeah, the love interest. Okay. You will ask permission from your mother
Aha.
to pursue a Filipina girl named Bella.
Yes.
Okay. Lights, camera, action.
Okay.
Mother.
Meh.
Wait, you're the father is also here.
I'm the father.
The
I'm the
father. Okay. Lights, camera, action.
Mother.
Wait.
What's your character?
The auntie is also here.
Auntie?
Wow.
Lights, camera, action.
Mother.
Wait.
Wow.
The sister is also here.
Sister? Wow. We have a family tree.
Okay. Lights, camera, action.
Mother.
Cut! Perfect!
Wow.
What a beautiful acting! That was a beautiful scene.
Trailer lang ba yun?
Beautiful.
A short film?
Yeah, short film. Damang-dama ko sa eksena. Damang-dama ko
Pinakamaiksing
na.
pelikula yun, ano?
Oo.
Naiyak ako.
Family movie.
Shortest film division.
Alam ko title niyan.
Ano?
Mother.
Oh, okay. You do it now. You ask permission.
I'm your
Action!
Mom. Dad.
Yes? Son, what's up?
I'm here to see my girlfriend.
Is this your girlfriend?
Yes.
Show me how in love you are. How much do you love her? How big?
I love her because he's...
Don't touch her!
Sorry.
No.
Don't
Who
touch
are
her.
you? Who are you?
I am her real boyfriend.
Wow. You're real?
How dare you touch my girlfriend? What?
You do not have...
Oh, no. Choppy.
You fight for your love. You fight
The
for
signal.
love.
Don't you dare eat your big saliva in front of me.
Why are you liar?
I don't know you. This
Why
is
you-
my boyfriend. Who
Son,
are you?
Get your girlfriend.
What?
What?
Who are you?
You don't know this guy. He is the guy from Gods Must Be Crazy Part 4.
Part 4?
I don't know this guy. Who are you?
Me, your boyfriend.
No, never.
In your dream.
What? This is my boyfriend.
You show her your moves so she will remember your dream. Show
My
her
dream.
your moves.
My dream is last night you are my boyfriend, my girlfriend.
Oh, that's your boyfriend.
You can't do that.
Can you do that? Can you do that dance?
If you really love me.
But you are a very good actor.
Yes.
I can see you in a movie.
What movie?
Shake, rattle, and roll.
Oh.
Like that. Okay,
Shake, rattle, and roll 15.
So, would you like to give a shout out to Star Cinema, if ever?
Yes.
This is your audition tape.
Audition.
You talk to the bosses of Star Cinema.
Shout out for Star Cinema.
Oh, the direct. Si Direk nanonood.
Please get me, Drake.
Break.
Yun. Yun na yun.
Babasahin
Oo, sa sasakyan pa pala to. Oo. Baka daw ma-aksidente, give him break. Ganyan. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Sherwin Altagracia. Ang Steph Curry ng Bohol.
Yes, ang pogi-pogi mo. Pa-picture ako mamaya, Sherwin.
Alam mo, di ba ginagaya mo talaga siya? Napansin ka na ba na mismo ni Steph Curry?
Hindi pa po.
Ni Mariah Carey. Si Mariah Carey.
Tsaka si Jim Carrey.
Nakakasipol yan. Kano kumanta ka. Nung mataas.
sakto, pasok
Parang
ngayon.
Mariah Carey din yan
Sample
Ganda
nga.
ka. Di ba nagsisipol ka ng emotion? Di ba di ba siya yun? Kala ko kumanta siya. Imagine mo kumakanta ng emotions to. No? Di ka ba napapansin ni Steph Curry?
Hindi pa po.
Sino ng mga matataas sa taong nakapansin sa'yo? Katulad nila, Dagul, Mahal. Matataas na. Okay, manawagan ka. Malay mo pa papanood to ni Steph Curry.
Yes.
Pwede itong mag-viral.
Sincerely, ano ba gusto mo sabihin? Gamitin mo yung puso mo.
Oh, kausapin mo, ayan yung camera.
Yung
Baka
idol
sakaling
mo.
mapanood to ni Steph Curry.
Loka-like yun.
Tagalog.
Oh,
Sige, we'll translate. Okay. Shout out to Steph Curry, my friend here. My friend, what's his name?
Sherwin.
My friend Sherwin Altagracia here from the Philippines has something to say to you, Steph Curry.
And hope to see Stephen Curry real. And
Ayun siya yung pangalan niya.
I hope to see the real Stephen Curry. And I make a 1v1 in the court, basketball court.
So, baka hindi maintindihan, translate natin. Steph Curry, gusto ka raw niyang makita.
Tagalog din eh.
May mga kaibigan kasi Pilipino si Steph
Idol ka
Curry.
niya.
Ay, lalo sa San Francisco.
Yes.
May Filipino Day doon.
Marami. Ganyan, okay.
Uy,
So,
pero puwera biro, napapanood ko talaga siya nung nasa London ako.
talaga?
Magaling talaga siya mag-basketball.
Magaling yan, mag 3 points eh.
Ikaw naman, napapanood ka niya daw nasa Bohol siya. Tingnan mo, parang
May connection, no?
Hindi nyo alam, nakikita
chemistry
nyo
kayo.
isa't isa noon pa.
I think it's meant to be na I'm here today. What about you?
Message mo, kaibigan.
Naiya po ako
Tawa
eh.
na yan. Yun, nalapit sa'yo.
Gusto mo?
Lagi po salamat ko
Tingin
kasi.
ka sa akin.
Mata sa mata. Madaling mata ni
I'm very
Steph.
thankful because dati pinapanood ko lang kayo. Ngayon, harap-harapan na.
Yan.
Ikaw din, pinapanood.
Uy, luwakan yung kamay mo!
Kinilig! Taray, nung kinilig, umiksi lalo yung shorts. Para umiksi yung shorts mo.
Ganyan talaga siya.
Parang magkasingiksi lang kami ng shorts.
Gusto mo remembrance kay Bella? Gusto mo? Nagbibigay ng ang huling yung isang fan na binigyan ng remembrance na lo.
Kahit ano.
Bagang. Bigay mo yung bagang mo rito. Tingnan ko lang kung malimutan ka pa nito.
Yeah, later.
Later. Okay.
Ang galing-galing mo. Good luck. Ano nga bang hato ng ating Madlaw People kay contestant number 1? Alamin natin kay Ryan and Ayan. Go, guys!
Thank you, Ate Clay! Dati tanongin natin ang opinion ng Madlang People. Madlang People! Kaloka or kaloka like!
Pero may dalawang maldita doon na nagkaloka
Isa.
dito. Oh, isa. Ayun.
Nakakaway ka pa.
Ay, puro kaloka like dito!
Ay, biglang nagpalit.
Bigla nagpalit.
Bigla siya nagpalit.
Sila.
Tanongin natin.
Ate, please, tayo ka.
Tayo po kayo. Anong pangalan niyo po?
Jillian.
Taga saan po kayo, ate?
Taga Antipolo.
Taga Antipolo.
Antipolo.
Ate, bakit kanina parang kaloka yung ano mo, yung tinaso?
Tapos, pag lumapit kami, bigla ka
Kaloka
nagpalit.
like. Anong...
Ay,
Hindi ko napansin eh.
oh.
hindi mo napansin.
Pero ano ba talaga, ano mo? Ano ba tingin mo?
Kaloka like. Kilala mo si Stephen Curry?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi mo...
Yung may picture eh, no?
Picture niya.
Ayun siya, ate, NBA
Oo, titingin ka
superstar
na lang sa
siya.
picture. Kinatabaran mo pa, ate.
Yung basketball player sa Amerika. Yung
Pero
magaling
sa tingin mo
mag-triple.
talaga, ano, kaloka or kaloka like talaga?
Base sa picture.
Kaloka like.
Oh, kaloka like daw, madlang people. Kaloka like daw, guys. Kaya naman.
Kaloka
Back
like
to you
daw.
guys.
Oh, salamat ate, pero ikaw ate, kaloka ka. Dadalawa na lang nakasulat dyan, ginanong-gano mo pa.
Nalito pa.
Salamat ate!
Nalito.
Oo, kaloka like ka daw. Natuwa sila sa'yo.
100%.
Partida,
Yes.
hindi pa niya kilala si Stephen Curry, ha?
Grabe.
Pero ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang komento ni Jurado Bianca O'Malley.
Stepping Curry. Night-night. Kamusta ka?
Ayos lang po.
Alam mo, aliw na aliw ako sa'yo kasi yung itsura mo para kang AI. nakinabit sa talagang napaka-cute na
AI
katawan.
talaga yan. AI talaga yan.
AI talaga?
Oo.
Pakitutut naman, Kuya Bong.
Bawal daw ka.
In fairness, pwedeng pabudots ka naman ulit. Kasi,
sige po, sige po.
ang pogi mo ang pogi mo pag sumasayaw ka. Alam mo
Thank you
ba
so
yun?
much, bro.
Ang lambot ng katawan mo.
Oh, that's for you, Bianca. Ay!
Duet pala ito. Look!
In fairness sa kanya, no? Malambot pa yung katawan.
Fairness.
Para sa gabi sa Adonis.
Ang
Thank
galing.
you, Bianca.
Saan ka ba nakatira sa Genie? Sa Lampara ka nakatira ba? Pwedeng Genie to eh, no? Magaling magaling.
Ang lambot, ano?
Palabas.
Thank you, Stepping Curry. Alam mo, para sa akin, kaloka-like ka.
Thank you po. Thank you, sir.
Pagbutihan mo
ma'am.
at ako, pinapanalangin ko na makita ka ni Steph Curry talaga. Gusto
Thank you,
kong
thank you
makita
very
na
much.
tuturuan ka niya mag-basketball at ikaw naman tuturuan mo siya mag-budots.
Ay, pwede.
Diba? Cute yun. Good luck!
Maraming salamat, Bianca Umali.